Let's lay in the dead grass, stare at the stars. Run away, you live out of cars and bars. Let's just leave here, cause there's nothing left to see.
Good morning. I'm feeling very tired today. We went on a night out last night. I only had one drink, but I feel awful. I think it's because I didn't drink enough water. But I am heading to the gym, just gonna grab some breakfast, which is free at the hotel. And it's kind of like a chill day. We're going on a boat trip for 3 days. Just walking to the gym now. Let's go to the gym. I straightened my hair last night. Yeah, it's already like not straight.
Yeah. Don't nobody else make me feel like. Don't nobody else make me feel like. Don't nobody else make me feel like. So don't nobody else make me feel like. Yeah. Don't nobody else make me feel like. Ooh. Don't nobody else make me feel like. Ooh. Don't nobody else make me feel like. Make me feel like.
In this place. Oh my god, I've just had a massage. And bloody hell, that was good. I feel like I forgot. Oh, these hills. It was very good. It was like £12 for a whole hour. So good. We're hiking up a viewpoint today. Well, tonight at 5. Tonight we are having a chill one. We've basically had a chill one today. But tomorrow we start the El Nido, like the boat to El Nido, where we go on a 3-day excursion and no signal. Nothing. We sleep in like the wilderness, so that is going to be a unique experience. So I'm very excited for that. Currently doing the hike to the top of the cross in Coron. This is why I do the Stairmaster at the gym, so I can beat everybody. Woo! Oh, it's so clear. My phone is so good.
Don't nobody else make me feel like. Don't nobody else make me feel like. Don't nobody else make me feel like. So don't nobody else make me feel like. Yeah. Don't nobody else make me feel like. Ooh. Don't nobody else make me feel like. Ooh. Don't nobody else make me feel like.
So me and Kat are currently in this really cool place. Hello. Oh, my hair is so burnt. We need to make sure we've got something on. We just got our hairs done. Ready for our 3-day boat trip. I don't know why there's like a bald patch here. Sorry. Good morning. We're going to the boat and hopefully it's gonna be lovely weather. I'll make sure I put my sun cream in. My plaits are this though, so my scalp doesn't get burned. We're going for the boat now. chilling up here. Look at this. How incredible. We're literally just on an island. We're literally travelling around for 3 days, like island hopping. So this is going to be our view, literally here the whole time. And then if you come up here, everybody's chilling over here. There everyone is. Literally have just swam from over there, literally so out of breath, but everybody's hanging on to the kayak. Well, half the people are. How beautiful is this though? So blue everywhere. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, we're on the island. Also, my plait fell out, so excuse that. I'm just gonna film like this. This is the hut. I'll show you outside. So this is the hut, and there is the ocean. So we come in here. Here is the bed. Mosquito net with holes in it. We love that. Oh well, I've got my insect repellent, and then to go here, that is my view. That is a pretty sick view if I say so myself. So we all just had a nature shower, which is the most craziest thing ever, but obviously fully clothed, and we're just chilling tonight. I haven't actually washed my hair, which is absolutely disgusting. I would never do anything like that normally, but do you know what, I'm just embracing the island life, do you know what I mean? Yay. That's a back.
Yes. Give her a ride the bus. I think they're the same as from Germany. I know. Yeah. I don't know.
It like came out.
And if we had denied it, we would have taken 2 more ships. We can deny it.
Guys, how insane is this? We're literally just chilling on an island and absolutely incredible.
Oh hey, treats me with respect. He says he loves me all the time. He calls me 50 times a day. He likes to make sure that I'm fine. You know I've never met a man who's insecure. He's not like all the other boys. He's so down and insecure. There's just one thing that's getting in the way. When we go up to bed, it's just no good. It's such a shame. I look into your eyes. I want to get to know you, and then you make this noise, and it's apparent it's all over.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Alright
Oh my
guys,
God,
good
I'm gonna
evening
die.
and thank you for the first night. So guys, our menu for tonight, we have 11 dishes. The first one is tuna macaroni pasta. The next tomato pasta. Within the cherry tomato. Within the top is parmesan cheese.
Als je iets wilt chillen is het geen probleem, dan ga ik erheen. Ik doe niet alleen, want ik heb drank. Dus ik heb drank. Als je iets wilt chillen is het geen probleem, dan ga ik erheen. Ik doe niet alleen, want ik heb drank. Dus ik heb drank. drugs. Als je bitch wil chillen, 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 wil chillen, wil chillen, wil chillen.
Got my hair. Guys, I'm in my bed. But yeah, it's my bed for the night. Hi guys, go to bed. Good night. I'll show you the view tomorrow morning.